How to watch live TV in Plex. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can watch live TV in Plex application for free. First of all, open the Plex application on your device and log in. Once you're signed into your Plex account, from the Plex home screen, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Live TV. Once you do that, you will be able to see channel guides such as the name of the live shows appearing at the bottom. Go ahead and select one of the live TV category, tap on anyone, and you'll be able to stream it instantly. These channels are ad supported, so short ads will appear during playback. You can go ahead and change the channel by tapping on it from the menu, and that way you will be able to see free live TV with Plex. You can go ahead and full screen by tapping this full screen button at the top right corner, and there you have it. That is how you will be able to watch free live TV on Plex. You can enjoy the movies, news, sports and entertainment anytime, all in one place. So that's how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.